So in this hair mask I have to use apple cider vinegar and some sesame oil. This is the best hair mask for your hair at home. You can do it at your home. It's a very easy and simple mask, but believe me, I do it once in a week and it really do a magic to my hair. It maintains your scalp pH balance, reduce. So let's apply it to our hair. It's a lunch time, so in lunch I have to take some a little light food and my all-time favorite spaghetti pasta, and the weather is so good here and I am enjoying it with a little bit carrots, crunchy carrots, and paprika and a mozzarella cheese, and it's so good. Let's do double cleansing my skin and to reduce all the pollution, to clean my pores and all the sweaty stuff. So for this I first clean my skin thoroughly, and after washing I apply a face wash. That much is enough because it's dried my skin a lot, so I take a little bit and rub, and now it's exfoliating time. It's a face wash with a little bit particle of exfoliation. So after cleaning, after face washing, let's do some oral care. Now in a second step, take a pinch of baking soda on your toothbrush and clean your teeth with it nicely. It removes tartars. It's manicure time, so for that I first clean my hands with a little cleanser or any kind of shampoo, conditioner. You can use it in your hand for softening it, for giving it a soft touch, for removing all the dirt for the next steps. Facial done, so after that I have to clean my nails with a brush. Take a clean toothbrush or old toothbrush. Now with shaving time, let's remove all the unwanted hair from my face and from my hands. So I can show my face. So and hence I am showing you that is the best and easy way to remove all the unwanted and a painless idea to remove all your unwanted hair. Now for exfoliation, I take a ground sugar. Don't take a full sugar because it will be harsh on your skin. Take a ground sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons, and one full of lemon juice. This exfoliation always give me a best 100% result, clearing my pores, my blackhead, my nose blackheads, and it's a really good exfoliating. It gives you a clean, clear, bright skin. I have to use this on my feet, my hands, on also my body, and my a little bit with gently on my face. So let's start applying it first on my face and after that on my hands. It gives me really nice, shiny and smooth body. I can feeling it. And if you want to remove suntans from your fingers, feet and body, this is the best remedy because it has a vitamin C, lemon. It's a mask time, so for mask I take a really two easy ingredients that is available in every kitchen with a flour gram and oatmeal. You can take oatmeal, if not available then flour gram, and corn flour can be an optional too. And with that I take 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. So let's apply it first on my face and then on my hands. It really gives you a hydrated, moisturizing body, especially for dry skin people. It gives you a clean, not a harsh skin. Give it a time 12 to 15 minutes after drying it up. Peel it off or you have to rub it very nicely. It's removed from all your body by rubbing because it gets right and remove all the dirt away from your body. Now after all that, let's take steam my hair, my body and my face. Steam do magic to us. It feels so peaceful. All time my favorite step to close all the open pores with steam. It's fun. It's seriously fun. This rose water will give your skin a cold penetration. It will circulate your blood, give you a great sleep and a good bright skin. One fact about ice I want to tell you guys, that ice will never get you old. You will never get old if you take an ice bath or do icing on a face. It removes all the wrinkles and tighten your skin. Now, last but not least, I'm giving shower to myself, my body, and for that I use a coconut body sugar exfoliator that I already give video about, and I'm giving a link down below so you can check it. It smells so good. You can make it at home very easily with sugar and coconut oil and other essential oil, and shampooing you any kind of shampoo you are using, it's up to you what suits your hair, you know best, but must try with a less sulfate. And for body I am using any kind of body wash you have that suits your body, and so I'm using this with that loofah and remove all the unwanted the hair from the body, and for that I avail this from the local market and it is so good. So let's take a shower, and yeah, that is all my stuff that I am using during my shower. And for feet I didn't record it, sorry, but I cleanse my feet with a cleansing milk, and it really cleans and give a bright effect to my feet. That is good cleansing milk. And after all that I have to brush my hair. That is very smoothened with that mask that I use it already on my hair, and give some nail downs. I feel so light, so clean and so beautiful at the same time, and I'm enjoying my clean body, my feet, my hair and all over my body. And if you like my video, give me a thumbs up and do subscribe, and please girls do a spotty. Thank you.